Hello everybody, this is X from YIJING House, and today I want to share with you on the topic of Bazi for career success. Before we go into Bazi, let's first talk about the concept of Holy Trinity, Heaven, Earth and Man. So, what is Cosmic Trinity all about? Firstly, Heaven being your Bazi chart, your Ziwei chart, your Qimen life chart, basically is whatever that you are born with, is exactly your date of birth plus time of birth. So you can't change it even if you want to. Next, on Earth is actually the environment around us. Most people associate this with feng shui, which is correct, but it is also actually more than feng shui. It also encompasses your mobile number, your house number, your car plate number. All these are also part of our environment, isn't it? And lastly, on men. This is the part that is most within the control of ourselves. It's our own will, our own determination, our own decision, actions. And so here we are today to talk about the heaven part, the Bazi, okay, and specifically how to use it to enhance your career. Firstly, let's take a look at how a Bazi chart actually looks like in case you have never seen it before. And how do you read them? So this is a typical Bazi chart where you have 8 characters over here, and they are categorized namely into 4 pillars. As you can see here, the year pillar, the month pillar, the day pillar, and the hour pillar. And the top rows, we call them the heavenly stems. The bottom row, we call it the earthly branches. Of course, there are also hidden stems, which are for more advanced reading, so I will not cover it here. Okay, and when we start reading a Bazi, the first thing we want to establish is whether your Bazi is a strong day master or a weak day master. Some of you may have heard this term before, 身强身弱. So, some of you may be wondering, what is a day master? Okay, a day master is basically the character within these 8 characters that defines you the most out of this 8 character. Is basically this one. Okay, in the day pillar and as the heavenly stem. Okay, there are in fact many ways and many different schools and sects out there, but I will share with you on my simple way of doing it. Basically, you want to see the relationship between the day master and the month branch. So condition number 1. Okay, so just look at the day master and the month branch. Condition number 1. If the month branch element is the same as you, your day master, you are considered to have a strong day master, 身强. Look, this is wood and this is also wood. So it's the same. You are considered a strong day master. Condition number 2. We are still looking at the month branch, but this time round we want to see whether the month branch produces the day master. Some of you may be familiar with the productive cycle. Okay, so water produces to wood. So in this case, okay, it satisfies the first part of this condition, and the second part is actually looking at other heavenly stems, whether they have the same element as the month branch. So first one, we look at this. This is a fire. The month branch is water, so it's not the same. The month stem is metal. Month branch water is not the same. Lastly, okay, the year stem is the same as the month branch. So in this case, satisfying two parts. Let me repeat again. First part, okay, the month branch producing into the day master. And secondly, we must look for the same element for other heavenly stems. So when you satisfy these two conditions, you are also considered a strong day master. Okay. Failing both conditions, you would then be deemed as a weak day master. But don't be so concerned if you are a weekday master. Doesn't mean weak means you have weak luck or you have bad destiny. No, this is how we just term it. Okay, in our industry. Okay, so this is the end of today's introductory session. Have fun decoding whether you are a strong day master or a weekday master. Remember to tune in next week, okay, to find out how the strong and weekday masters can make use of their own 八字 to enhance their career success. This is the end of my video today. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye. Know your fate. Master your destiny.